Hello student, let me start chapter 7 coordinate geometry. In the previous classes we learned how we can plot coordinates on the Cartesian plane, but now in class 10 we will learn distance between two coordinates. Let the first coordinate is A, x1 y1, coordinate B also in the same plane, x2 y2. We have to find the distance between AB. The formula is x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, or x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is known as distance formula. Based on this formula, we will do sum number 1 of exercise 7.1. Find the distance between 2, 3, 4, 1. Let the point A 2, 3, point B 4, 1, AB using distance formula x1 y1 x2 y2, 2 minus 4 whole square plus 3 minus 1 whole square, solving minus 2 whole square plus 2 whole square minus 2 square is 4, 2 square is 4, 4 plus 4 8, answer is 2 root 2. Part second, minus 5 7 minus 1 3, point A and point B, distance AB minus 5 minus 1 whole square, 7 minus 3 whole square using distance formula. Minus 5 plus 1 whole square, 7 minus 3 4 whole square, minus 4 whole square 4 whole square, it becomes 16 plus 16 32. We can write it as 4 root 2 is the answer. Next is part third, AB minus A minus B. Let point A, point B, then AB is A minus A whole square, B minus B whole square, A plus A whole square, B plus B whole square, 2A whole square plus 2B whole square. It becomes 4A square plus 4B square. Take 4 common. Take out from root. Answer is 2 root A square plus B square. Sum number 2. Find the distance between the points 0, 0 and 36, 15. Let the point A 0, 0, point B 36, 15. AB is 36 minus 0, 15 minus 0 whole square using distance formula we have now solving square 1296 plus 225, adding we have 1521 and the answer is 39. So distance between the two towns A and B discussed in section 7.2 is 39. Next, sum number 3. Determine if the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and minus 2, 11 are collinear. Collinear means to say single straight line. So let me find point A 1, 5, B 2, 3 and C minus 2, 11 minus. First we find AB, then BC, then CA. AB using distance formula 1 minus 2 whole square, 5 minus 3 whole square. We have minus 1 square, 2 square, solving root 5. BC 2 minus minus 2 whole square, 3 minus minus 11 whole square, solving we have root 212. CA 1 minus minus 2 whole square, 5 minus minus 11 whole square, solving before bracket sign of minus, that's why change the sign. Simple, easy solving. Root 265. We know that root 265 is greater than root 212 and root 5. Root 265 is not equals to sum of these two. So these points are not collinear. In question number 4, we will do same as sum number 3. Let this point A, B and C, and we will find AB, BC, CA. Here two sides are equal, that's why these are the vertices of isosceles triangle. Sum number 5. In a classroom, 4 friends are seated at a point A 3, 4, B 6, 7, C 9, 4, D 6, 1. Champa and Chameli walk into the class. After observing for a few minutes, Champa asks Chameli, "Don't you think ABCD is a square?" Chameli disagrees. Using distance formula, find which of them is correct. For it, first we will find AB, then BC, then CD, then DA. For AB, distance formula we can write is that 3, 3 root 2, then BC 6, 9 whole square, 7 minus 4 whole square, also 3 root 2, CD 9 minus 6 whole square, 4 minus 1 whole square. Three root 2 DA 6 minus 3 whole square, 4 minus 1 whole square. We have 9 plus 9 root 18. 3 root 2, all sides are equal. That's why we will find its diagonal AC. 3 minus 9 whole square, 4 minus 4 whole square. We have root 36, make 6. BD diagonal 6 minus 6 square, 7 minus 6 square, 0 plus 6 square make 6. Here all sides are equal and diagonals are equal. That's why ABCD is square. So Champa is right. Thank you.